Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Social Traffic Jacker. Now, Social Traffic Jacker is a 100% automated traffic campaign builder, and what you can do is you can set and run 100% automated traffic campaigns 24/7. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand you over to Anthony in about 2 minutes, and he's going to walk you through what Social Traffic Jacker does and how it can benefit you. I want to tell you about the bonus that we have below, because we've really got a great bonus, as you can see below. 21 different bonuses. Now, the first 5 are great bonuses. The first one, the reseller box, what we've done is we've limited that to the first 50 people only. Now, a lot of people have asked us to re-release this as a bonus because they missed it the first time round. Now, this will be your last chance to claim this as a bonus today. And as I said, it's for 50 only, and then we're going to be removing it. And that's you get a whole full funnel of reseller box. You get the gold version, you get the white label version, and everything you need to kind of have 100% business in a box. Plus, on top of that, we've got HTML-orama with resale rights. We've got multi-network poster with resale rights. We've got headline Zen with resale rights. Plus, we've got Timer Boss, which is a web-based app, and what that does, it lets you run scarcity timers, etc. Plus, that has a WordPress plugin as well that you can rebrand and resell. So there's 5 great bonuses there. Remember, the reseller box, once 50 is gone, we are removing that bonus. Then on top of that, we've got another 16 different bonuses with resale rights, personal rights. Everything you need is down below. So check out the bonus page and listen to Anthony, what he's got to tell you about Social Traffic Jacker. You know, when he's going to tell you how this is going to benefit you and how easy this is to use. So watch Anthony, take a look at the bonuses below, and I hope to see you inside. Thank you.
Now, Social Traffic Jacker is a very, very exciting tool. It's a very unique tool. And with this tool, we can drive 100% automated traffic campaigns that will run forever. But with a difference. What we can do is we can put our call to action links on every single link that we share. So as we're sharing content with our social audiences, we can put our call to action on those links as well. Now, I know that you've seen many tools. There's been many over the past couple of years, but they're all missing one very simple thing that means that allows us to automate this 100%. And that is a simple solution where we just use an RSS feed from authority sites, from influencer sites, so that we don't have to set up a campaign for every single post. We can set up a campaign for an RSS feed. We can put multiple call to actions into split test to rotate, and it will literally run forever on autopilot with a setup time of just 3 minutes. Now, this is really powerful, and this tool has actually been around since December 2016. We've added a ton more stuff into it. It's an evergreen tool. It's not something that was built just for launch. It's something that we have added a lot of features and will continue to keep improving and tweaking as we go forward as well. So what is it in a nutshell? 100% automated social traffic tool. You put your calls to action on every single link that you share. You can set up a campaign within 3 minutes. Inside that campaign, you put an RSS feed for an authority site or an influencer site. Whenever they publish a post, within minutes, literally within minutes, you are sharing that link to your social audience, and you can put in up to 4 calls to actions to rotate and split test, and then you can look at your data, your analytics, and you can see the highest converting offers, tweak and optimize it a little bit, and just let it run forever. Now, just imagine how powerful that is, because if we do this properly, we've got 100% automated email list building. Okay, we got 100% automated social growth, because if you share quality content, you find other people are resharing that content as well, and that in turn gets more followers for you. Okay, things like retargeting, pixels you can put in there, so you're building your retargeting audiences, you're growing your retargeting audiences all on autopilot. You can generate sales leads, affiliate commissions, all on autopilot. So let me explain what you're going to get with this front end offer, and I will be upfront, there are some upsells, there are some additional features, some additional accounts, etc. that you can use, additional campaigns in the upsells. That's normal for us to do this in the launch, but what you can get today for starting from $27 is absolutely amazing, okay? So I'm going to go through this very, very briefly with you, but there's a demo video underneath in the sales page that goes through setting up a campaign in under 3 minutes, and you can see exactly how it's all done without me getting into that sort of detail in this video. So what you can get today is you get social accounts. You can put you can put up to 3 accounts on 3 different platforms. Disclaimer, guys, I've got the full version open here, but you can use Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, 3 accounts on each. Now this is very, very powerful, and it's more powerful than what you might imagine, because if you've got a Facebook account with 100 fan pages, for example, and you got another Facebook account that's got 500 fan pages, then if you wanted to, if you really wanted to, you could have those 2 accounts combined when you are posting, when you're sharing your links. So you're sharing your links into 600 different Facebook pages if you wanted to do like that. But I've got training that explains the best way to do this and the best practices as well. Okay, so 3 Facebook accounts, 3 Twitter accounts and 3 Instagram accounts you can add with this front end offer. With the autoresponders, you can add all the top autoresponders. If I just come in here quickly and I give this a number or a name so I can get to this point here, you can see we've got some top autoresponder services: Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, Market Hero, etc., etc. Okay, and when we come into the actions over here, you can see as well, I'll just give you a very, very brief example of what an action looks like. This is a video pop-up. This is a video from a guy called Brian Dean, because I'm sharing his RSS feed, so that whenever he makes a blog post, whenever he publishes a blog post, then that blog post will get shared with the socialtrafficjacker app within minutes, and this video pop-up will be there. Now it just so happens that what Brian is teaching in this video, I've got a software that automates that process. So I've put a call to action here that leads to my software sales page, but you could, if you wanted, put an affiliate link in here, for example. That's just one way that we can use it. There's a ton of ideas inside the member area and inside the webinar replays, etc. Okay, and what we can do next is come and have a look at the campaigns as well. Now in the campaigns, I'll just open up a one that's already been created, and you can see down here that I've got a whole bunch of Facebook pages and Twitter accounts, etc. that's been added. So whenever Brian makes a blog post, all of these places, all these Facebook pages and Facebook groups, etc. are getting that link shared with my call to action on it. So if you've got multiple Facebook accounts, it's going to work like that. You can put in multiple places to share to. Okay, so that's very, very, very important and very, very powerful as well if it's used correctly. And as I said, we have got good training that covers the best practices. Now we also got a Facebook search in here, where if, say for example, I wanted to find some fan pages with dog training, I can click on the search and I can find very, very high traffic, very, very popular fan pages that I can like, and that allows me to post into them. Now a disclaimer again with the campaigns. As I showed you there, with this particular campaign, I'm posting into a lot of groups and a lot of Facebook pages. Now, you can only post into groups that you are an admin. Okay, we used to be able to post into groups that we were not, but we're probably going to have to build our own app. But you can post into groups that you're an admin, you can post into Facebook timeline, and you can post into unlimited fan pages, whether you're admin or not. Okay, you get Twitter, you get Facebook, and you get Instagram as well. And you can add as many of these pages, accounts, etc., groups as you want within every single campaign, so that whenever a website, whenever a blog, for example, like this one, publishes a new post, then all of these places are going to get that link shared, which is pretty awesome. You can see just how powerful that can be. This is how we can get 100% automated list building, 100% social growth, and we can build assets like retargeting audiences up very, very quickly and very, very easily as well. Okay, so that's basically all I want to cover in this video. There's a demo video. I will set up a complete campaign from start to finish in under 3 minutes, and you can see how it's all set up. It's very, very simple. It's nothing difficult, and you can have run forever campaigns. Thanks.